Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our Blackbook Functions chapter solving. So here we are on page number 6, question number 29. So we are asked the range of the function. Okay, so this is log of 4 by some surd to the base 2. Now definitely this root of x plus 2 plus 2 minus x will be a positive quantity, because this is a positive number and this is also a positive number, so positive plus positive will be positive. Plus one thing, this should never be equal to 0. This should never be equal to 0, and that is actually not possible. These two numbers cannot be equal to 0, because for a single value of x the addition of two positive numbers cannot be equal to 0. So that is not a thing to consider. Now what needs to be considered is calculating the domain, which is very easy. X plus 2 should be greater than or equal to 0, and 2 minus x should also be greater than or equal to 0, because they are both inside the root. So this says x should be greater than or equal to minus 2, and this says x should be less than or equal to 2. Simply the intersection of both of them will be minus 2 to 2. These are the values of the domain. Okay, then minus 2 to 2 values are expected in the domain. Okay, then what we need to do is calculate the range of this function. Now how do we do that? Let us see. So write down root of 2 plus x plus root of 2 minus x is equal to y, and we need to calculate this value. So what I'll say is I can square both sides. So once I square both sides, I'll get this plus 2 times under root 2 plus x into 2 minus x, 4 minus x square is equal to y square. So this will be x getting cancelled. 4 plus 2 under root 4 minus x square is equal to y square. Okay, so this will range from what? So definitely if you have a keen look at this question, you can understand one thing, that this x is ranging from minus 2 to 2. It means at minus 2 this will be 0, and at 2 this will be 0. So this will be maximum at the middle value, which is 0. So y square will have the value as 4 plus 2 into 0 is equal to y square. So y square is equal to 4. So y is equal to 2. And when you put down the value of x as 0, this will be 4 plus 2 into 4 minus 0, root 4 is 2, and which is equal to y square. So y square is equal to 8. Therefore y is equal to 2 root 2. Now you will say, sir, why are you taking only positive values while taking the root? So I'll answer that in a while. So y belongs to 2 comma 2 root 2. So these are the expected values of y, because y is in the denominator of log, and log can only have positive values. That is why. Okay, so our question now turns into log of 2, and I can say this is 4 by 2 root 2 comma log of 2, and this is 4 by 2. This will be our range. So in short, what we did is we calculated the range for this function and put that over here. Okay, so what will the answer for this? So this will just be 4 by 2 root 2 will be equal to root 2, and this will be 2 to the base 2. So this is going to be half, because 2 raised to half, and this is going to be 1. So half to 1 is the range for this particular function. So the correct option for this question is half to 1, option B. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe